If your TV shows child lock active or buttons are not working, do not panic. First, check that your TV remote is working and the batteries are fresh. Most smart TVs use remote button combinations to turn child lock on or off. Samsung Smart TV. Press and hold the mute button for 5 seconds. Then press the OK or Enter button. The child lock will be disabled. LG Smart TV. Press the Settings or Gear button. Go to Safety or Child Lock. Enter the PIN code 0000 or 1234. Turn the child lock option off. Sony Bravia TV. Press the Home button. Go to Settings and select Parental Lock. Enter the PIN code. Select Unlock or Turn off. Vizio Smart TV. Press the Menu button. Go to System and then Parental or Child Lock. Enter the PIN code. Select Off. If you forgot the PIN and default codes do not work, unplug the TV from power for 10 seconds. Plug it back in. Sometimes a soft reset removes the temporary child lock. Always check your TV manual or official website for model-specific steps. Do not try random codes, as this may lock the TV further. Child lock is a safety feature, but it can be easily disabled if turned on by mistake. Thank you for watching Tech Vibes. Like, share, and subscribe for more smart TV tips.